What's up, YouTube? This is Markley 1997 again with my 33rd Silly Sixpence comedy. And my 33rd Silly Sixpence comedy will be Red Pin and Purple Pin taking over the vlog together, doing a burp contest, and Blue Pin will interrupt them and say, "We don't burp in the household." I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe me and my comedy. What are you boys doing now? We're having a contest. What? We're having a burp contest, Blue Pin. Whoa, knock it off. I do not allow burping in this house. I like Blue Pin, but the show must go on. Oh, Purple Pin, what did I say about burping? Ooh, I said no burping. And when I say no burping, what do I mean? Oh! That's right, no burping. I hope you won't disappoint me. Yeah, Purple Pin! Watch this, the burp champion of the world. Purple Pin, are you burping again? Maybe. What's the issue with all that burping? What's the thrill? It's fun. It's rude. It's impolite and nauseating and annoying. That's what I said. It's fun. I'm still the burp champion of the world. Alright, Purple Pin. Meet your new burp champion, Yellow Pin. Yay! You can't burp like that. Oh yeah? How many times do I have to tell you brothers, we do not burp like that in this household. How's it going, everybody? Oops, pardon my French. Good one, Mark. That was good, Mark. Good one, Mark. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe me and my comedy.